Okay. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Again, I think let's try this for the last time. Yeah, my internet speed is horrible. My internet speed, it's horrible. Just we're gonna try. I'm already late for the PM session, trying to go live. Just remove this, but the internet speed is not happening for me. So oh shucks. But let's try. Let's see if it will catch up with us. If it doesn't, I'll delete this. Okay. Um, yeah. I hope it's catching up with us. What the hell? Why is this like this? What the hell? Okay, I'm seeing things here, guys. There's something irritating happening. Let me see. Am I audible? Why is this like this? I am audible. Yeah, I'm seeing things here, guys. There's something irritating happening. Okay, guys. Please forgive my lagging. I will no forgive my lagging. Also forgive my layout. It's a bit terrible, but let's get into it. We're 15 minutes before the other thing before we go to the day trading. So anyway, welcome guys. It's a Tuesday. Let's trade the Tuesday, even though our internet is bad, but let's hang in there. Hopefully, we'll get there. We're gonna start with also dark, as you see. Yeah, everything is a mess. I'm also dark because my lighting is terrible as well. But anyway, let's get into it. I spoke about NASDAQ that I'm waiting for a pullback on NASDAQ. It's very clear on the 4-hour time frame that I will look for this pullback on NASDAQ on the opening gap of of Monday. So that's what I'm looking for Nasdaq, and it's already started giving me a bullish reading, for which I appreciate. And I think on the pullback, I am gonna look to go long. So I already have a limit at that low, just before there, and I'm gonna target the all-time highs because I believe from now on, generally Nasdaq will start to push to the upside. So I'm looking for Nasdaq long, and this is because CPI it's slowing down, GDP it's also slowing down. So, I mean, GDP growth tomorrow, we'll see GDP growth, but CPI slowing down. The Powell is a bit optimistic about the future growth. We are anticipating about two interest rate hikes, so the fundamentals make sense. So I'm looking for long on Nasdaq. I am looking for long on Bitcoin. Today I haven't checked the charts, guys. So you will have to forgive me. Today I have been out and about, and then today I've been out and about uh, trying to close deals. I had met clients for property viewing. Oh, shit. Okay. I'm entered on Bitcoin. I entered the limit. I'm entered on Bitcoin. For you to get to understand why I'm going long on Bitcoin, kindly look at yesterday's video. You'll understand why I went long on Bitcoin. And the trade is already happening while I'm still at it. Let me update on the Telegram because I spoke about this yesterday. Come on, dude. Here we go. Already updated on the Telegram that I'm looking for Bitcoin, and I'm just gonna quickly give an update. So if you wanna be part of the Telegram group, click the link in my bio and join the Telegram where we just discuss the market in general, guys. Let me quickly update the Telegram. Oh shit. So while updating the Telegram, there is what we call a micro strategy. there is what we call a micro strategy. Let me just quickly tell them. Okay, I'm entered on Bitcoin based on yesterday's live stream, based on yesterday live stream to understand to understand why I took long Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Kindly watch yesterday stream. I'm just quickly updating here on the Telegram group. So anyway, spelling. Kindly watch yesterday's stream. I am already live now. Oh, we should. Okay. So anyway, let's just quickly go through everything, guys. So as I was saying, I'm already entered on the fair value for our fair value gap of Bitcoin. I am in this trade. I did explain yesterday that I was looking into entering the Bitcoin. So just go watch yesterday's stream and just go around the yesterday's stream. You'll understand why I went long on Bitcoin. So while so anyway, while I'm still speaking about Bitcoin, just a glimpse of it. Um, as I've entered this on my normal on my normal brokerage account, I will also enter. Let me just mark this. I will also enter this Bitcoin on a macro strategy. I will buy a macro strategy now. Also, I will buy ETFs monitoring cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. I love the setup. I'm in the setup. So let's watch and see. I've entered Bitcoin. Just go back previously. You'll understand why I entered Bitcoin. Also, NASDAQ. I did explain NASDAQ that I'm waiting for the pullback. So with the pullback, it will give me more put. With the pullback to this low on NASDAQ, I am gonna go long as well. And then gold. So gold in this regards, gold. I am still long on gold. Um, I have my stop loss just below there. I've re-entered, not re-entered, but I've added a position on gold. Remember what I said about gold? I have this trade that is running. I've entered another trade. So what I want to see with gold, and this is something that I'm seeing, I'm starting to see rejections. And this could be because the optimism and mindset, the dollar might start to gain strength. That's how we see the consolidation here. So if I don't see a clear breakout here and hold above to the upside, I will decide in the next few days if I am gonna just reduce my risk. Oh come on this first trade that I on this trade that is running that I took before, and just move my stop loss just above here, just be above there, just below the support structure for the all-time high, just below the 3,000 mark. I'm just watching this range here. So if that does not happen, I'll definitely do that because in this case, I'm starting to see that gold is starting to lose momentum, but I am gonna hold because I'm still optimistic about the risk on asset pool with uncertainties in terms of war. So we're still gonna benefit the dollar. Also, the GDP. Let's see where the GDP pushes the gold to. Because if GDP is gonna push gold to the upside, let's say GDP comes out 2.4 growth. It will all depend if the market has already priced in 2.4% growth in gold in this I mean in the market yet. The 2 point is it 2.4 expected growth for GDP, and then if it's not priced yet, then we might gonna see a good movement and that will benefit us on our trade. Another trade that I was looking for, it has not played out yet, is GBP CAD. I'm looking for a fair value gap. I was looking for a fair value gap break below there, for which that is, but I didn't like how the market rejected immediately. So I'm still watching this area there. If I see a decisive break below a low and a fair value gap that is formed. So if let's say I see a clear break below there and a fair value gap and look to hold and to the upside, I will do that. But for now, I'm still gonna stay out. And I'm taking this trade based on fundamentals and the fundamental spreadsheet that I own, which it is giving me a bullish reading on these pairs, okay? On pairs against the dollar. And another pair that I just wish to speak about is USD JPY. Um, 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 USD JPY, we are holding this high here. We are holding this high. We are holding this high. But let's see if we're gonna melt to the upside, or really the dollar is gonna start to gain strength after CPI and after optimism of Powell that there is gonna continue to go to growth. And let's see if we're gonna start getting lower tariffs because if tariffs, this is me, if tariffs now they start, if Trump start to execute their tariff, there's no uncertainties about tariffs, we're still gonna be bullish on NASDAQ. But when it comes to indices, I have a German 30 longs, and I think I've spoken about this on a video that I posted yesterday with regards to why I am taking longs on GPP, I mean on German 30 or on German 30 index. So just look at that video on the weekly forecast video down below, and just do not forget, guys, to like the videos there while you are watching and why I took this German 30. But in general, um, okay, I have 5 minutes anyway. The market held that support. It pushed to the upside, came back to this support, broke above. It left this strong fair value gap on a 4-hour time frame. Took the longs and then stop loss just below the 4-hour structure low. And I'm looking into going long and see how the longs will hold to the upside. So I'm already in profit there. If uh, if we get a decisive break and hold above there, I am gonna look to move my stop loss just to profit, just maybe below there if we break above this high. So that's another trade that I have. And I think I've spoken about the trade that I have. I'm still optimistic about GU. If GU comes back to my area of interest, I will take it. The fundamental spreadsheet, it is giving me a bullish reading. Oh, come on, dude. It is giving me a bullish reading. Eh, yeah, ne? It is giving me a bullish reading. But also, I am watching closely this high here. Uh, if we break above this high and hold, I'm gonna still look for longs. If we break above this high, if it doesn't do that and come back and I will love it for it to retest this area, this fair value gap first. But if it doesn't do that, any break above, then I'll look into entering it. So I'm very bullish for the Japanese, for the British pound. They are doing well. We're seeing CPI for the British pound tomorrow. Let's just quickly go through Forex Factory just to see what I'm talking about. Okay. Um, Monday. What am I doing? So today there was not. So tomorrow we have two imported. We have two imported CPIs. We have okay, the Australian dollar CPI. I mean, we have Australian CPI, and then we have British pound. We have British CPI, for which the British CPI, the forecast, we're still keeping it at 3%, while Also, the forecast is saying 3%, 3%. So if we get the 3% hold in in the, what do you call this, in the British CPI, so I am gonna still be bullish for GPP. I am still gonna be bullish for GBP against any pair, because if we're to look at inflation is still high, for which might it's likely to cause the British bank to increase interest rates. So if they increase interest rates, then it's good. It's the British pound. It's favorable for good returns in lending out money. So this is what I'm learning to. Higher CPI. Remember, higher higher CPI or higher inflation, higher interest rate. So if it's still there while the dollar CPI is at 2.8, I am more bullish on GPP, USD GBP AUD as well. Also, because this one is at 2.5, comparing it to the inflation story and the interest rate, I am still going to be bullish for GPP against any other pair. So this is the very important data that we have tomorrow. That will still determine if we broke above or we're gonna move below and go to our favorite look up that I spoke about. And then moving along, also Thursday, another very important very important quarterly GDP, gross domestic product for the dollar, which the forecast is 2.3. If you get anything 2.4, 2.5, um, that will change the scenario for the dollar slightly. You could start to see the dollar gain strength a bit against other pairs, given that the growth is remarkable. The growth is good, and also unemployment claims, which are slightly have increased. This will affect the unemployment, will affect the employment data. So yeah, that's what we have for tomorrow. But let's go back to the charts, guys. Let's go back. And the final trade that I have, I don't know if I'm triggered. I haven't checked. But I don't think I'm triggered. Okay. I have a trade on GPP AUD, remember? From last week. Oh God. What the heck is happening here? This thing, the reactions here are too slow. Ooh, look at this. So it missed my stop loss by a bit. It truly, son, it missed my stop loss by a pinch. It really missed my stop loss. Look at that. It truly missed my stop loss by a pinch. But I'm still in the trade. Let's see if we're gonna get a break and hold above. And if that happens, I would love to see that. And with my stocks, with the most, I'll just show you the most leveraged stock that I have or that I'm holding, which I'm using. Oh, no. For me to speak about that, for you to know which broker in South Africa I'm using to trade Capitec Bank on a CFD and leverage account. Do not hesitate to click the link in my bio for the Telegram. And I think that's where I normally speak about brokers that I use. I don't speak about brokers here on the live. Oh, come on, Capitec Bank. And this is, remember, we have earnings for Capitec tomorrow. So it's a very big day for our, come on, dude. Really, are you gonna make me look for Capitec Bank everywhere? Really? I hate this. Let me just quickly do this. So, oh, we're South Africa, yeah. I mean, Capital Standard Bank. This is not the correct one. Okay. Yeah, my internet, it's a mess, guys. So please pardon me. I'm dark. Today it's the worst of a day. It's loading slow. But anyway, just for you to get to understand and get to be upfront with the trade that I take and my idea on the stock investment that I have. I think I will advise you to just join the Telegram group where I update mostly before and explain the fundamentals behind. Just it's a way of all of us learning together and understanding the market together. I don't know, my internet today it's a mess. Look at the movement, that how slow they are. 15 minutes is done. We should be moving into the second segment of the show, the day trading show. The day trading show. But I don't know. I think I've mostly updated you about every pair that I have. So this is Capetic. It's holding this resistant area, and I don't know if you can see because I've cut it. We have tomorrow. We have earnings. So earnings projection. I'll quickly show you Capetic's earning projection. Capetic. So Capetic earning projections are good. We might beat expectations tomorrow. And if we beat expectations tomorrow, we are likely to break above the recent and hold above. And if that happens, we are gonna be I'm gonna add more position on support on the test of the support. But let's see. I want to show you this. I'm just looking for a specific report. I didn't download it. That is why. Who is this? Manuel, please earnings. Sorry, I'm just looking for earnings reports. Anyway, guys, there is a projection for earnings tomorrow. I think if we beat expectations tomorrow, we will break above, but I'll explain how. Ah, come on, dude. Yeah, we'll go to. Anyway, I think this is gonna wait. I will show you as I were waiting for trades on the other side because I'm looking for a specific report, but I'm not saying it yet. So, if we break above this, if earnings beat expectations tomorrow, we are likely to break above, hold, and push to the upside. So that will be for our Capitec Bank. So remember, this is a very strong resistant area. Good earnings or earnings beat expectations tomorrow. We break above and hold above this, break above and close above this high there, and I am gonna have my sell orders just below the support because the result will have turned to the support, and I'll have secured about 2% of my positions there. However, I will try to add more position there to continue to the upside, hoping that that will hold as well. So this is my capital game, and that's what I'm expecting coming in next week. So, I mean, coming in tomorrow, very important day for earnings tomorrow. Let's see if our friend here will give us a report, an estimation of the report on here for earnings tomorrow. There's no projection. This guy didn't give us any projection. Anyway, earnings, here we go. So tomorrow report. So tomorrow they're expecting about 41 rand, 41 rand in earnings. So if this is the first quarter of last year, what the flip. So if we were to look at the last year, um, we beat expectations. That was last year. What's the forecast? Oh, this thing doesn't give us a forecast. Okay, here we go. So an expected of about 52 rand earnings, and if we beat expected tomorrow, we are likely to push the market to the upside, and this will be us. So depending if we're gonna get a surprise here. Are we getting a surprise anyway here? Let's see. So Capital Finances has been doing well. 2023. Looking for earnings, dude. This thing doesn't report all the earnings. 2023, 2024. Flip. This is the one that I'm looking for, and it's not here. Anyway, it's not on. It's not here. They didn't write the expected and the projections. Here we go. Here we go. So we are waiting for this one tomorrow. If we beat 119 here, and then we are gonna push the market to the upside. So this is doesn't it's complicated. This is for economics. I'm not an economist. I just understand a bit of this uh, financial statements. However, if we beat expectation tomorrow, we're gonna break and move to the upside. Uh, we're gonna break this high and push to the upside in terms of Capetic. But anyway, guys, this was the first segment of the show. We are moving to the second segment of the show, the day trading show. So let's go to the day trading show, trading the PM session with me. Gonna quickly do analysis. We are a bit late. The first move could have happened already, but let's wait and see. Let's do the analysis and see. And anyway, while doing the analysis, how is Bafana doing? Because Bafana is playing, and I don't know what's happening. Oh, sorry. Smart, smart. Where's the highlights? Smart. Congrats to Bafana leading 2-0. Damn it. Anyway, I love football, guys. Forgive me. I will not hold myself. Sorry, guys. Oh, God. I feel like my first move has already happened. But anyway, um, this is a 4 hour high and low. I just checked the scores now. Damn it, man. Guys, I'm being disturbed. I'm super excited for Bafana. Anyway, guys, sorry. Yeah. Okay, let's do the trading. So we see a 4H high and a 4H low that I'm looking at. And this will be a draw of liquidity just below here. Let's just me see the S&P 500 on the other side. Just gonna delete everything. I'm just gonna delete. Okay, I think there is an SMT somewhere, but we will mark that up. Just quickly gonna go through the analysis. Yeah, there is an SMT here. Between NASDAQ and S&P 500, there is a clear SMT between that range. We did hold this. We did hold this 50 minutes fair value gap, and then we just broken below there, and we have another fair value gap that is holding below it. There is an SMT here, so there is still a kind of bearishness coming through. Go 50 minutes candles. Oh, perfect. I think I'm bearish. But tell me, guys, are you bearish or bullish for the PM session? I'm just seeing something interesting here. I'm seeing bearishness coming through for NASDAQ. I am bearish. It looks like I will be bearish for the PM session. I would have loved, let me see here. I would have loved to see this 15 minutes candle coming in to tap in within this 15 minutes for value gap, and we push to the AM lows. So that's what I want. I would love to see, but let's see if we gonna get that. Remember, I am late because of my internet situation, so I'll need you guys to pardon me. I will fix the internet situation in due time. Okay, I am low. We are holding. If we tap there and push to the up downside, I think this is what I want to see. And it might give us an SMT between NASDAQ and S&P 500 because already within that fair value gap that I'm talking about that I want to see reaction at, um, I don't think S&P 500 by the look of things will come back all the way to that. So the amount of pips to cover to get back to that fair value gap compared to NASDAQ, it's small. So I'm anticipating this very bullish move that is happening here to come back and tap exactly there, and we push to the upside to the AM lows. Okay, let's see this one. Already, our friend here is US30 has reacted. Messages on the see the candlestick. I don't see. Has already covered 50% of the 15th fair value gap in this area here. But I'm more leaning into Nasdaq bearishness. But anyway, are you bullish or bearish for the PM session? Please let me know. Are you bullish or bearish? The AM, this one's quite very close for Nasdaq for S&P 500. The AM is quite close. So I'm gonna be lying today. I think I'm more into Nasdaq than anything else. Let's see what we have. Yep. Okay. Yes. Here there's a 5 minutes FVG here with a breaker, which with a breaker. Oh God. 5 FVG stroke breaker. La, 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 la. Just put this back to white, make my life easy. Just gonna put this back to white to make my life easy. Yeah. Oh, this is interesting. I am bearish. I am bearish because there is this one that was never reacted at. Just gonna keep it marked with red, yeah. Then I'm gonna keep this one white. Sorry, I'm just also I love talking a lot, more especially when I'm doing something of importance like this. I am bearish, guys. So this is a 3 minutes time frame. What am I seeing here? So if I get a break below this low with a fair value gap and hold, I'm gonna look to go short. I am bearish. And today, remember, it's a just this is what I wanted to see. This is what I wanted to see. Okay, 1 minute time frame. Uh there is this fair value gap that is holding. There is a 1 minute fair value gap that is holding at an average. Yeah. So that 1 minute fair value gap is holding. I just want to see it continue holding. The thing is, the reason why I do not want to take it and it's below the larger low, it's because of it has not closed below the low. Let me remove this so that it's clear. Here we go. The reason why I don't want to take a trade at this 50, at this 1 minute fair value gap right now is because it did not close below this low. So with not closure below this low here, we could see a rejection back to the upside. So I don't want to find myself caught in that. So I don't want myself caught in this low here, thinking that fair value gap will hold and trade something like this. It's a possibility, but I do not want to trade something like this. I just want to see a full closure below there. If I get a full closure on the next fair value gap, I will enter, but not now. That one. Is that S&T here? Also this one is holding. Can we get a clear break and close below this low? So if we get a clear break and close below this low, and then I think it will have confirmed my bearishness for today. I'll definitely enter a trade. Oh God, Bafana. And if you trade pure price action, if you look at this 5 minutes area here, you could see, look at that. You could get, oh, flip, this thing is moving as fast as I didn't think. It could be break below and closure below and a retest you enter if you trade the other thing, but we are not there now. Okay, let me watch it. I love that the first fair value gap that I spoke about is holding. So anyway, if you're anywhere around South Africa, I mean around Africa, what's your feeling Bafana being number one? Let me show you the log while waiting at it. Let me show you the log. Oh, this is beautiful. It looks like we are going to the World Cup, unless Vele, but it's up to us to chuck away this lead here. Look at this. Where's Bafana? I just want to show you Bafana, man. Just want to show you Bafana. Hi, Bafana, man. Let me see. What is it? Yeah, stagnant. It's not moving. So I'll show you Bafana in a meanwhile. Oh God, just messed up something. Yeah, yeah. Anyway, Let's go back there. So there's not good movement, but I just wanted to show you Bafana, guys. I am super excited. Pardon me, you guys have to pardon me. I'm super excited. It looks like we are going to the World Cup. So anyway, this fair value gap is still holding. Taking a trade, something like that, for me, or it's a bit risky. So I'm not gonna do that. I still wanna see another fair value gap for me. Yeah. And remember, my target is the AM low. Oh, this is what I wanted to say. The SMT, the E's and SMT here. I'll mark the SMT now. Okay, it's confirming my bullishness, my bearishness, sorry. Perfect. The E's and SMT here. So the E's and SMT there. Just make that bigger. And the text just bigger. Anyway, yeah, the E's and SMT there. That's for me inside the 1 minute fair value gap. Okay. S&P 500 looks clean. S&P 500 looks clean for me. Uh, should I take a trade here? Should, uh, should I take a trade here? A stop loss just above there. Let me see this one here. Nah. Nope, I'm not taking. No, I am not taking. It's failing to break below there. Does not give us the decisive moves, guys. So I am not gonna take. Yeah, there's no decisive. So remember, I wanted to take a trade if we get a candle closure below this low. If I was looking at below this low, Ish. Below that low, if I was looking at a 1 minute candle or below this on the 5 minutes, and I'm not getting that. We all reject and push to the upside. So I am not interested in taking a trade if it's doing that. And also, if I were to look at the 3 minutes candle, still the same thing. There's no decisiveness in these trades. There's no decisive move to the downside or to the upside. So, nope, I'm not going to take a trade. Looks like we are changing direction. Okay, 1 minute closure. It leaves this fair value gap with a breaker. That will be a very interesting story. Let me see. I, I don't honestly, I don't see any bulls coming through because this is a very strong support with this 50 minutes fair value gap with a breaker. I do not see any bearishness on any bullishness here. Okay, if we get an invasion and close above, if we get a 5 minutes invasion here above that, I will look maybe to start contemplating to go long. And it will have left this fair value gap here. So, yeah, just gonna wait for the next 5 minutes candle to close and decide afterwards. Remember, my bias is it was bearish when I started. unless anything else changes. And it looks like now it is changing. Now we have 1 minute here with a breaker. Just see the 3 minute. Okay. 3 minute, we're gonna have the first you're gonna have the first 3 minutes closure. So for me now, the 5 minutes is a very important thing here. If we give an envision of that, I'm gonna look into entering longs. And we will be trading inside the lunch hour range, eh? So I'm gonna if we close this 5 minutes, just getting this 5 minutes and the breaker to fade, and then I'm gonna look to go longs. I am gonna change my bias. Yeah, I'm gonna change my bias if we get the inversion here. So this is a very important 5 minutes, I should say. SMT, I'm bullish. Okay, I am bullish. Um, I'm gonna try longs first. I am gonna try longs. Yep, I am gonna try long. I am bullish, guys. So I will be bullish. So I'm trading within a very important 5 minutes here to determine the rest of my night in terms of this trade. But it doesn't change the fact that Bafana won. Oh, I said I wanted to show you the. Let me see if I can edit here. I said I wanted to show you while waiting here, the log. Hey guys. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna adjust this to the right levels. Really? Bafana. Anyway, yeah, let's go to Bafana, guys. Let me show you. Bafana. Look at this. 13 points. Number two, it's 8 points. 5 points clear. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at our friends here in Nigeria. Hey, Gumnyama ebusweni benkawu. But this is beautiful, guys. Yeah, I'm super proud of Bafana. I am super proud for Bafana. Look at this. No, guys, the round of applause for Bafana. Hugo Bros is making us happy as a country. For the first time in the longest time, we are happy. We are happy. Did the 5 minutes close while I'm there? Okay, 5 minutes about to close um in 3 minutes. I mean in 30 seconds, sorry. I am gonna enter long here. Exactly at the invasion of a 3 minutes per value gap, stop loss. Let me see. Okay. I am gonna go long. When I enter, I'm gonna enter my limits here. Let's see. Sorry. Just gonna see something. Where should be my stop? Will my stop be okay just below there? My target that high. 3 minute. Yep. Okay. Here's my plan. I am gonna remove this for now. Uh I am gonna remove this for now. Okay. Okay. Let me enter my limits while waiting for the other positions to play out. For the other, let me enter my position. So this is my game plan for now, guys. I am gonna use my phone to enter the trade. This will be the first target. Let me see something. AM session. Okay. Ooh, okay. I am about to enter this trade here. Da-da. Am I holding? Did I open the right account? Yes. What's happening? Ah, come on, evidently not. Shit. What the hell? Okay. Ooh, look at how it missed me. This is terrible. Ooh, look at the miss. Look at how it missed me here. I wanted to enter manual on my broker, but I couldn't. And the problem here, the reason why it could have missed me, there is above here a 1 minute fair value, a 1 minute fair value gap. Flip. Yeah. The 1 minute fair value gap became my problem. I didn't even enter manually here. God, I was trying to log in on this broker. Stupid. This will be the worst day ever. Missing a trade? It's not nice. Perhaps we're still gonna get an opportunity to enter, but I'm not okay. Okay, it's gone. Yep, it's gone. It's gone without me. Wow. Wow. Anyway, let's wait. Okay. Really now? Just wanted to be nonsense to me now. Okay. The trade is gone, guys. Nah, it's out. The trade is gone. Yep. We got a breakout. It held above. Let me just close this. So if breakout and retest, principal allows. We broke above, closed above, came back for a weak retest, and it's gone. I am gonna be slightly patient just to see the next reaction points. If it's gonna reject there, nah, it's gone. What do we call this? Um, yeah, this is really painful. This was really painful. I will share with you how it missed my trade. And then, what's happening? Sorry, guys, I'm just trying to figure out what's happening here. Oh, God. Okay, it's gone. If it closes above there, there's no possibility of coming back. And I wouldn't want to chase. I wouldn't want to be in a space where it looks like I'm chasing price. Very painful already. Yeah, this is very painful. Anyway, tell me the. Ooh, flip. I entered it. Not just close this. Close. I'll share with you how it makes me. I will share with you how unlucky I was. Okay. So if you were me here, I mean, let me see. Just want to see something. Uh, 25, 25 pips up. My stop loss was about 20 pips. So it has already given me a 1:1. I don't know. I've missed the trade. This is the stupidest thing ever. Let me try open my MetaTrader on my this side. This is the most stupidest thing ever. I literally got missed by my phone is switching off by a peep. By a peep. Yeah. But it's frustrating. But there is an interesting area. Anyway, did anyone take this trade? Did anyone take this trade? Did anyone's broker got fill the person? Just let me know in the comment section. Yeah. So there is that fair value gap, 3 minutes fair value gap that it's very important for me. I don't think I'll be interested in taking a trade again. Yeah. But if we directly get an invasion of this 3 minutes fair value gap, I will move my stop loss to break even. This is the worst thing ever. This is the worst thing ever. I'm feeling terrible. Let me not lie. I feel terrible. I feel terrible. I don't even know if I feel so terrible. Yeah. I don't even know if I should show you this, but I feel terrible. Just gonna, oh God, I feel so terrible. Ah, 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 ah. Yeah, I feel terrible. I don't know if I should show you how it got missed me, guys. Um, yeah. Let me show you. Even though I don't have, I don't have, okay, come on. Yeah, I feel so terrible. Should I share with you how it missed me? Let me share with you guys. I don't know if you'll see this, but I'll share it with you. We have a bit of a retracement. Let me see the 1 minute time frame. Will I get the re-entry? I don't like re-entries. Nah, there's nothing clear for me to get the re-entry from because there's a 3 minutes fair value gap here that is holding. Why should I look for a re-entry? And there's no strong fair value gap there. The only thing that I have to decide is it safe for me to enter a trade to look for bullishness coming through? I don't know. I truly don't know. Another 3 minutes fair value gap here. I have not deleted my orders. I'm still deciding if do I want to share those trades that I've taken with you in here. I when a person feels terrible, it's me, guys. Should I? Think it's holding that fair value gap. It will be too risky for me. But let me see if I think I'll take a small position and decide after what else do I still want to hold on to that position or continue with other things. Let me see. Uh, MT5, MT5. Am I in this trade? I should be in this trade. Okay, I got entered. Okay, I got entered in the trade. Now we are talking. Just taken this trade manually now. Um, am I happy with the entries? Yes, I am. Yep. Okay. I am in this trade already. Thank God came back. I didn't delete, but let's hold and see. A bit risky. I do not like how I took it, but I took it. Okay, I'm just gonna share this as well on the Telegram just to tell them that you're missing out on the PM session. Okay, it came back. So the good thing is the market decided to come back on on my plan and on my trade. But it can still move back. And I'm about to end my stream. Oh God. I'm not gonna like as I said, I didn't remove my order, took the initial position that I wanted to take, but my war it's still that 3 minutes per value gap that held there. And yeah, if this 3 minutes per value gap that I entered is still holding, I'm good. So enjoy the life, you know. Okay, directly I'm just directly at break even or at my entry point. We're starting to see a push to the upside. I do love the push to the upside. If you're gonna get a very strong momentum to the upside, and just quickly do this. And let me just quickly do that. We have this fair value gap here with the breaker. So there is these two obstacles that is holding our trade lower. So let's see. But anyway, guys, I will end the live in a few. I've started late. I normally trade until 6:30. So yeah. But I'm still excited for Bafana Bafana. Oh, this. I'm still excited for Bafana Bafana. They did a very good job, the boys. So yeah, we are talking, guys. Oh God. Yeah, I think if you are in this trade with me, or you decide to take the trade as well with me, just what happened? Did the live end? Am I still live? Or it's one of those things? So one day I just decided to go live, and I was live. I was talking the entire time. Ganti. I am not talking to anyone. So I don't know if it's one of those now. But yeah, I think I'm gonna hold this trade until half past. If it's still in that range, I am gonna I am gonna call it I am gonna close in loss. But if it moves back to profit, I am gonna wait until half past. But I know I need to stick to time, guys. So you will forgive me. Okay, I'm in a loss. Until I get blind, doing nonsense. Yeah, just hold this. Just a tiny profit. I just want to see if I get an invasion of this purple fair value gap. I am certain we're gonna be bullish. Um, we're gonna go continue to attack profit. But anyway, guys, so first, thank you so much, and apologies for starting late. I got a bit of a network problem when I started, but yeah, this is a trade that we're in, and let's see. Entered the 5 minutes fair value gap. You can even call it a 3 minutes fair value gap here. That's why I entered it to go long, and I'm still in this trade, so I'm gonna hold until 9:30, just before the PM closure. And if it's still here, I'm just gonna close either in slightly profit or slightly losses if it does not continue giving me good move to the upside. Yeah. Anyway, okay. Thank you so much, guys. It was another day. Thank you for joining me. I truly appreciate all your time and you guys joining me. And I think I should appreciate all of you guys and for your patience when I have network problems. Thank you so much, guys. See you tomorrow, same time, same place, 7 p.m. We will be trading live. I'm not gonna be late tomorrow, and I hope I'm not gonna have network problems. I hope. I should say this. The reason why sometimes I feel like I need to move to futures is because of spreads. Raw spreads are expensive to open. Futures, I think, are a way to go. But anyway, still in tiny profit. Yeah. Remember, guys, tomorrow we have a big day. We have Capetic CPI. I mean, what am I saying? We have Capetic. This thing is lagging. We have Capetic PPI tomorrow. What the hell am I saying? It seems like I'm frustrated with the last. No, I'm not. We have Capitec earnings. Sorry, we have Capitec earnings. So let's look at Capitec earnings. Let's look at Capitec's when and what are the earnings. If the earnings come out in our favor, we will definitely close. We will definitely secure a lot of profits for Capitec. But I have to call it a night, guys. I have other things to do. I think I have reports to prepare. I have reports to prepare. I have sales document that I need to prepare for the house. So if you need a house, do not hesitate to hit me up, guys. I do sell houses. I'm a man of so many things that I do. So yeah, okay. So remember, I spoke of tomorrow earnings. So tomorrow we have Capitec earnings. If we beat expectations, we're gonna break. We're gonna break and hold and continue to the upside. Then my next stop will be my stop losses, not stop losses per se, but my sell orders will be if the if we're to hold above but come back also and lose all the momentum, I'll take profit in that high and push to the upside continue. So we're looking good, we're looking set for a good move to the upside for Capitec. So thank you so much, guys. I have to update this on the group. And please do not forget, or do not forget to like the live, subscribe. I'll truly, truly appreciate you guys liking and subscribing to the live. It goes a long way. It also helps with algorithm. And so for me to continue giving you good quality content, and I think I'll eventually update my computer to get good CPU. But anyway, for now, let's do with what we have because I just bought my laptop and I've not decided to upgrade anyhow. But thank you so much, guys, for joining me. We're still in losses. We're just gonna hold until then and see what we get. So, good luck with Capitec earnings. I hope we'll beat expectations and hold and trade above, and we continue to the upside. And Bafana, good congratulations, boys. I'm so proud. I'm so proud of Hugo Bros. I'm so proud of Bafana. We're going to the World Cup. We're gonna dominate Africa. So that's me. That's my parting words, guys. Thank you so much and have a great day. Let's see. I'm listening for the 10th time now. Anyway, I'm hungry. I am hungry. I need food. Our trade is not looking so well, guys. I'm still at just in a bit losses. Our trade is not looking so well, I should say. Yeah, our trade is looking bad. So it's looking bad. Okay. So we're still gonna be just below profits. Our trade is not looking so well, but we're gonna hold and see. But anyway, guys, I rant and speaks a lot. But anyway, guys, so yeah, Capitec, I'm gonna be making a video about Capitec. Have a great day, guys. Love you all. Peace. Bafana Bafana.